Hi, this is Chantel with WTI. We have been screen printing since 2016, and this Speedball screen printing ink has been our go-to ever since. We have purchased the 32-ounce bottle over 10 times. This is actually bottle number 11 that I just opened today. The coverage is excellent and works on all types of fabrics. We usually are screen printing bulk orders, so it's nice that I can knock out 50 or more hoodies or shirts without the ink drying out or becoming tacky. The ink is permanent as long as you heat press the design once it dries. It holds up really well in the wash with cold water, and it's best to dry on low heat or air dry to prevent fading over time. But I've had shirts that I've washed and dried in the dryer over and over again, and the design still looks great. I love how many colors Speedball has to offer. If you are thinking about trying out screen printing or want to try a new ink, I highly recommend Speedball. We have been so happy with it, but that's just my point of view.